Everyone, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to turn on your camera for your laptop or your Windows PC. So what you want to do is go on over to the Windows Start button right here and just click it, and then go to Settings. Then when you're on here, going down to Privacy and Security, and then go over to the right and go to App Permissions. You can see cameras listed on here. Make sure you turn this on and turn it on for the apps you're going to be using it for also. So you can see everything is turned on right now. My camera is working. We can go to the bottom of the screen to search and type in camera. And open up the camera application now. Now under here, we can see all these different options. I'm going to go to the top right and click this rotate option, which will change my camera since I have a capture card. So here's my camera on the screen now, and you can see it's working. So we have the option to take picture, video, and then we can see like documents and stuff down here. But go ahead and just switch it and then press this button and you can start recording or taking a picture wherever you want. And then you should be able to view it down here in the bottom right. So there it is. And you can open up the specific folder it's saved in right here. But go ahead and look at this as an option. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.